So today I'm going to show you how to replace the Paddlewheel carrier on a typical Airmar Triducer Multisensor like this P52 example. The operation is similar for other models. So if the tension clip is still intact, and a lot of times it's been caught on weeds and been removed, but if it is intact on yours, you're simply going to remove it and it gets discarded. It's no longer necessary. So the second operation is just to simply squeeze the ears on this and rock that paddle wheel with upward tension until it slides straight up out of there. We want to make sure that there's no debris or anything in that locking channel there. And if everything's clear and ready to go, you can just drop the new paddle wheel sensor right in the same location, squeezing those ears and pressing down till it latches in place. And then just make sure the ears are secured through the contact holes here in the sides of the transducer. As I mentioned, the spring clip does not have to be reinstalled. Most of the new models don't even have provisions for it. With that, we're ready to mount it back on the transom and go boating.